Ask a related question. If the landlord refuses to repair, you'd also be able to argue that the landlord is in breach, and that would allow you to break the lease and go live somewhere else too.
It could. It could. And
I mean, if it's something that's significant. I mean, if it's
right.
if it's a drippy faucet in the second bathroom that you don't use that often, that might not be maybe a big enough deal. I don't know, but it seems like if the landlord refuses to make a repair, you should not be forced to take money out of your pocket.
Right, and it's really going to depend on the severity. I mean, if you're talking about an electrical hazard, that's going to be a danger to you and your family. Mm-hmm. So, you know, you don't want to put yourself at that kind of risk, but you're going to have to really document. And that's one of the key things, is that documentation.
Well, I want to mention one thing, and I mentioned it on the last episode. If you have a landlord who doesn't treat you properly and doesn't repair things the way the landlord should repair them, it's probably a good idea to go looking for another place to live anyway. It's generally landlords who you have to force to fix something. They're not going to change their stripes and start treating you better after you force them to do the right thing. And I've had clients that come talk to me, you know, on personal injury matters. They know me, but then they ask me about this landlord thing. I'll tell them, look, you know, let's see what we can do to try and force the landlord to do the right thing. But probably your best bet and your energy is better spent trying to find somewhere else to live. You know, he's broken the lease. Let's get you out of this lease.